Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan. Today's video is about iPhone users lock access. Did you know your iPhone may seem completely secure when it's locked, but some items can still be viewed, including notification center, which may contain private information. And in addition, it may still be possible to access your Siri or to send messages even when the device is locked. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll show you what I mean. So to limit access, what could be seen, so what you need to do is I'm using iPhone 6s now. Let me open it. Go to settings, scroll down, touch ID, password, put your password. If you got iPhone 10, click on Face ID, password, or even higher than iPhone 10. So once you're on here, scroll down. As you can see where it says allow access when locked. So these are the features when your phone is locked, can be accessed. As you can see, today view, notification center, control center, Siri, reply to with message, home control, your wallet, return missed calls. So all these buttons can be turned off if you don't want it. As you can see, I'll show you before I turn off the notification center. It's on now, so I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to lock my phone. As you can see, it's locked. You can see that at the top of the screen, the lock key is there. So all I have to do, 1 second, I just opened it, and then as you can see the lock screen. So if I just drag it, as you can see, the notification center comes up and people can read my emails without even opening the phone. The phone is locked. All I have to just drag the screen. As you can see, it comes on. So but if I go back to my settings, put my password back on and turn off notification, and then let's go back, let's close the phone again, and let's try this then. As you can see, nothing comes up. So, and also what you can do is you can turn off Siri, all these functions you're not using that you don't really need to reply with messages. Definitely you want to turn that off. Your wallet, definitely you want to turn it off. You don't want people accessing while your phone is about anywhere. Return missed calls, you don't want that. So all these things you can turn off from here, and then when your phone is locked, no one's got access. So guys, if you find that helpful, give me a thumbs up, and also go check out my t-shirt shop. I put in the description